Welcome to our guide on how to customize your iPhone messaging app. Let's dive into some tips and tricks for making your messaging experience uniquely yours. First, you'll want to access your settings. Unlock your phone and find the Settings app. This is your gateway to all your personalization options. Now, let's change the message backgrounds. Here, you can add your personal touch with stunning visuals. Next, let's set custom text tones for your contacts. Make each message feel unique with personalized sounds. Now, let's explore iMessage effects. You can send messages with exciting animations and visuals to make conversations more enjoyable. Creating names for your group chats helps keep things organized. Let's see how you can set this up effortlessly. You can pin important conversations to keep your key contacts at your fingertips. Here's how you can do it. Tailor your notification settings to ensure you're always alerted in a way that works for you. Let's dive into how to do this. Lastly, don't forget about Do Not Disturb. This feature helps you maintain your focus while messaging. Here's how to enable it. And that's it. By customizing your iPhone messaging app, you'll enhance your communication experience. Personalize your messages today.